The carbon cycle circulates a vital organic nutrient. Carbon is found in all organic molecules, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, all of which make up living organisms. The carbon cycle describes the routes that carbon takes through the environment. Producers like plants, algae, and cyanobacteria pull carbon dioxide out of the air and use it to produce sugars like glucose. Primary producers, consumers, and decomposers all consume organic materials and release some of the carbon as carbon dioxide. The remainder of that carbon is used for structural growth of the organisms. As aquatic organisms die, their remains settle with sediments at the bottom of ocean basins or freshwater wetlands. With continued burial and pressure over a very long period of time, oil can form within the sedimentary rock that forms. Sedimentary rock is the largest reservoir in the carbon cycle. Carbon is released during uplift, erosion, volcanic eruptions, and of course through burning of fossil fuels. The oceans are the second largest reservoir of carbon, dissolving carbon dioxide, carbonate, and bicarbonate, all of which are incorporated into the shells of marine organisms. Some of the excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is absorbed into the oceans, and that's causing the oceans to become more acidic. Today's atmospheric carbon dioxide reservoir is estimated to be the largest it has been in the past 800,000 years. Combustion of fossil fuels and a decrease of surface vegetation have had a major impact.